During early, I say just about early 2000, I then realized that working for a boss, it's not all, because I should think of my after retirement time. Okay, I had enough land below the homework, as you have been to the place below there.
Yeah.
That's where I then started a poultry rearing plant there. In fact, I had the coops, and I was dealing with live chickens.
Okay.
Early 2000, there was, on the poultry business, there were so many opportunities that were available, and on the live market, it was dominated by most of the big, what you call, farmers. Then I felt I should try and diverse and find ways of maybe adding value to my product.
Okay.
Yes, so that's how I decided to build or establish an abattoir.